Hello everyone, my name is Himanshu Garg. I'm working as a trainer of soft skills with GIBS Finishing School. I joined GIBS Finishing School after the experience of 11 years in the field of training. I've been a corporate trainer. I've trained in organizations such as ONGC, Air India, Microbosch, also BHEL and Genpact. Apart from that, I've also worked with institutions like UPES Dehradun and Presidency University Bangalore. I've also had the privilege of training in Amazon Jaipur. Something very special about GIBS is their attention towards the details about ensuring to weave certain courses in the curriculum of a student so that once the student passes out from the college, he is not only employable, he is also a ready candidate to make a difference in the society as a whole. The entire objective of GIBS Finishing School is to make a student a holistic performer through which he or she can perform well in personal and also in professional life. We do this through a pedagogy in which 30% is theory of the Gyan, we could say, and 70% is experiential learning. We make them go through a series of activities and we also give them master inputs. Feedback is the review added with a plan of action which will help the student to move from point A to point B, and that is what we strive for in GIBS Finishing School. We want to tell you that once you are the part of this family, your success is guaranteed. Thank you very much. This was Himanshu Garg.